Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie, back with another video. We have an unboxing. I opened it up to see what it was, and we have something, as you can see, from Stylecraft. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? So, what we got in here is Instinct shaver. They got the Instinct trimmers, they got the Instinct clippers, and they got the Instinct shavers, right? If y'all know, the Instinct was one of my favorite clippers. Now I use the Instinct X, still Instinct, but you know, different Instinct, right? So this looks like more of a design that match with the original Instinct, where you can see the inside and all that stuff. So let's open it up, and it says this is dropping in June. So I don't know if you can pre-order it yet, but if you can, go pre-order it. Discount code Cuts by Reggie. This is the box, very small box. It is a shaver. If y'all been following me for a while, I haven't been a big fan of Stylecraft / Gamma shavers, right? When it comes to shavers, I'm more on the Babyliss end of everything. So, but of course, we're gonna see how it go. 2.5 hours of runtime, high power vector motor. So it do got that vector motor that's in the Instincts, in the Instinct clipper and trimmers. Absorbs and dampens sound. 11,500 RPM. Full metal body. Of course, with the Type-C charging. I said, of course, like y'all was reading what I was reading. Y'all wasn't reading what I was reading. So yeah, let's get into it and see what's in there. I do like that black look. I don't know if that's gonna be the only color they provide, because I could see a red one of these with the gold being pretty nice. So it do come with a charging stand. Fit the shaver into. I'm thinking this is one of their first shavers that actually had its own charging dock. I know the Unos they have a USB-C Type-C where you can just stand it on, but I don't think it necessarily is for the Unos, but you can use it, right? So I do believe that this is one of the first shavers that they had that had a charging dock. I could be wrong. Of course, you get the charging cable, the Type-C charging cable, and that's pretty much it. It's a shaver, so it's not gonna be too much in there. It got a little weight to it though. It do got a little weight to it, and they do have both of the charging inserts here at the bottom, Type-C, and the regular charger right there. Metal. It is a durable box. I wish I had one of their other ones here, because they're not usually this durable feeling, right? So that's pretty cool. And as you can see, it does have the insert here where you can see, and then I don't know if y'all can see, it says Instinct right there. 2 foils. I didn't know if it had a cutter in between there. Just 2 foils. Power here. Pop off top there. All right. See what that sound like. So you can hear that vector motor in there. 11,000 RPM. I wasn't a big fan of the Instinct clipper. I wasn't a big fan of the Instinct trimmer. Had a little bit too much vibration to it. But this says it dampens the sound. I'm not really hearing that. Maybe it would be louder if it was a full plastic body like some of theirs usually is. But it's still loud. I mean, and again, coming from me, sometimes in this room it sounds a little bit, because it's an enclosure room here, so it's not bad though. I do like that feel of it. Metal edition. I do like that feel of it. It do have some weight to it, but it's not as heavy as some of the, like the other Babyliss, the silver the original Babyliss. I've been using the FX3 from Babyliss, so we will put this to use and see how it feel. I do like that weight though. I do like the feel. It's smooth, it's sleek. I like that. And of course, boom, charging dock. We're gonna put this to use. And also, while I'm here, because I don't know if I showed it or not, they also sent me a traveling case a little while back that I don't usually do home cuts a lot, but this is a pretty decent travel case. I wish they had the straps where it could like keep it set up like that. As you see, it got the mirror here, inserts there where you can move around the way that you want to. Of course, you got pockets and stuff here. This is the strap that you can hook onto it in case you want to carry it. But they did send me that too, and I don't even know if I ever put it in video or not. But you know, yeah, nice little traveling case. And I also wish it was like, I like the G&B backpack ones. I like the backpack ones. That's the ones I go to. That's the ones I like. But either way, the metal edition, the Instinct shaver. I'm gonna let y'all know about this. I haven't swapped shavers in a long time. I've used a bunch of different kinds, but I've still been Babyliss FX3 and then the Uno for my small areas. So let's see if this will knock the Babyliss FX3 out the way, and we'll be back with a review of it very soon. Very soon. Again, this drops June 1st, and again, the pre-orders are usually a month ahead of time. So by the time this video is out, you should be able to pre-order that. Use my discount code Cuts By Reggie, save you a couple of dollars. This I'm excited about this. I'm usually not too big on different shavers. The last one that I was excited to use was the bevel shaver. Other than that, they've been kind of give and go. They get the job done. Some been terrible, some been good. You know what I mean? So again, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, and we will be back with a review, unboxing, tutorial, or something. Also, if y'all want to know how I feel about certain music topics, I have a podcast. I know people didn't like it on here, so I didn't put it on this channel. I have a podcast with a buddy of mine. It's called Late to the Party with Dodie and Reggie. I'll leave a link down below. Y'all can subscribe to the channel. We also on Apple, Spotify, and Amazon, and all that other stuff where you can hear your podcast at. Peace.